Welcome to Proficient Financial Planners YouTube channel, Financial Education and Awareness Series. Hello everyone, and happy International Women's Day. Today, we are talking about something that affects every woman, money. Financial literacy isn't just about numbers, it's about confidence, security, and independence. In this video we will cover why personal finance is important to women. Let's dive right in. Why women should be financially literate. Studies show that many women, even those who earn well, are not actively involved in financial decisions. Why does this matter? Because life is unpredictable. Loss of a spouse, career breaks, divorce, these things happen. If you are financially aware, you can handle any situation with confidence. 80% of women will have to manage finances alone at some point in their lives, whether you are single, married, or retired. Understanding money ensures you're never dependent on anyone else. Key life stages when a woman must prioritize her financial well-being. Your 20s and early 30s are a crucial phase in life. It's a time of career growth, social experiences, and financial decisions. But there are challenges too. Establishing a stable career, dealing with peer pressure, managing impulsive spending, overcoming a lack of financial awareness. To build financial independence and stability, take these smart steps. Budget wisely, track your expenses and control spending. Build an emergency fund, save for unexpected situations. Start investing early, use systematic investment plan, PPF, and NPS for long-term growth. Secure health and life insurance, protect your future. Financial freedom begins with good money habits. Marriage is a beautiful journey, but financial planning is key to a strong partnership. Challenges many face. Financial dependency concerns balancing career and family, joint financial decision making, smart financial steps. Discuss finances openly with your spouse, maintain personal savings for financial independence, plan for shared goals, buying a home, children's future, and travel. A financially strong couple builds a secure future together. Motherhood is a beautiful journey, but it also comes with financial responsibilities. Challenges many mothers face: career breaks, childcare expenses, increased responsibilities, emotional and financial stress. Smart financial steps: invest in children's education, continue retirement planning, explore passive income sources, consider critical illness insurance. A well-planned future ensures financial security for both you and your child. Re-entering the workforce or regaining financial independence in midlife can be challenging, but with the right steps, it's possible. Challenges many women face: skill gaps after a career break, financial insecurity and reduced income, divorce or separation risks. Smart financial steps: upskill and stay relevant to restart your career, rebuild financial independence through savings and investments, revise investments to match your new financial goals, consider estate planning, update your will and nominee details. It's never too late to take charge of your financial future. With children becoming independent, it's time to focus on wealth preservation and future security. Challenges many face: retirement anxiety and uncertainty, health issues and medical expenses. Smart financial steps: focus on low-risk investments for steady income while also holding equity for beating inflation, maintain adequate health coverage to manage medical costs, consolidate assets for easy management, plan for long-term elder care and estate planning for peace of mind. A well-planned retirement allows you to enjoy life with confidence and dignity. Your senior years should be stress-free, with financial security and dignity. Challenges many face: rising medical costs and healthcare expenses, risk of outliving savings, emotional and financial vulnerability. Smart financial steps: secure steady passive income through pension, fixed income, SWP, assign power of attorney for financial and medical decisions, ensure debt-free retirement for peace of mind. A well-planned retirement ensures financial security and a stress-free future. Why do women not take interest in personal finance? If women are great with money, why do so many avoid personal finance? Here are some reasons. Lack of confidence. Many women feel finance is too complicated. Traditional mindsets. Money matters are often left to men. Fear of taking risks. The stock market seems intimidating. Lack of time. Women juggle multiple responsibilities and don't prioritize money management. The good news: finance isn't difficult, it's just unfamiliar. The more you learn, the more confident you become. Why should women invest? Many women focus on saving but hesitate when it comes to investing. Here is why investing is essential. Key points: women tend to live longer, so retirement savings need to last longer. Inflation reduces the value of savings, investing beats inflation. Investing creates financial independence and passive income. Are women risk takers or risk averse? There is a perception that women are risk averse when it comes to money. But is that true? Studies show that women tend to be cautious, but they are also strategic and patient investors. They focus on long-term gains rather than short-term speculation. This approach actually makes them great at managing wealth. Being cautious isn't a weakness, it is a strength when it comes to wealth building. How to start investing? You don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Set goals. What are you investing for? Retirement, home, child's education, etc. Step 2. Choose the right investment. Match your goal with the best option. Step 3. Start small. Even 500 rupees per month in a mutual fund systematic investment plan is a great start. Step 4. Automate your investments. Use auto debit to stay consistent. Step 5. Track and review. Adjust investments as needed. When should women take the services of a financial advisor? Financial planning isn't just about investments, it's about empowerment, security, and strategic decision making. A financial advisor provides holistic view about financial planning which is usually ignored by most women. A financial advisor helps you understand and contribute to big picture financial decisions, even if you are not involved in daily execution. In case of health or life hazards affecting the primary earner, a financial advisor ensures seamless financial transition, helping you navigate decisions with clarity and confidence. Beyond money, a mentor and coach for financial independence. Along with tailor-made solutions to your unique situations, the advisor also provides strategic financial advice at critical times. Being financially aware isn't a choice, it's a necessity. Women deserve clarity, confidence, and control over their finances. Empower women, empower finance. Financial independence is the ultimate form of empowerment. This Women's Day, take control of your money, invest in your future, and build the life you deserve. Share this video with the amazing women in your life, and let's build a financially strong generation of women. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.